Susan with Bliss Travel Wellness, and today I am getting ready for a 13-mile ride. This week for RAGBRAI, which it's week 3 of training, it's 35 miles and I've already gotten in 22. As predicted, it got really humid here in Southwest Florida, so I'm really having to get my hydration appropriate so that I don't cramp. My last video was on pickle juice lemonade, which is really refreshing. So I have some of that and I use that for recovery. But preventative cramping, I am a huge fan of Skratch Labs. I use this for my Ironman, all my training and race day, and I swear that's what helped me complete it successfully. They have unsweetened. I use sweetened and unsweetened today because it's not a very long ride. I'm using the lemon lime unsweetened hydration pack. And then I love these energy chews. I love it because it has caffeine in it and it's just the boost you need. And it has some sugar. I think they are wonderful and they taste really good. And it's like a little treat. So I'm taking these in my little fanny pack. And I'm going to just be putting in, I'll just use one pack today. Pick this up. This is lemon lime. They also have a flavor I haven't tried called salted margarita, which I'm sure is amazing. I don't know. It's super refreshing and just tastes like, I always put ice in my bottles. I also am going to show you, this bottle is a must-have if you live in a really hot, humid place, because even though our Legacy Trail is wonderful and it has water stations, the water is always warm to almost hot, which is just disgusting, and they can't help it. They try to cool it. It's just really hard in Florida. So I load this up with ice and water and then my hydration, and this keeps the ice from melting. It keeps it nice and cold for the whole trip. So I carry 2 of these stainless steel bottles. They're a little bit heavier, but it's worth the weight because there's nothing worse than hot water. This is so refreshing. So I am ready for my ride and I'll see you on the road. Okay, I am on my 13-mile ride and I'm excited for a couple reasons. I'm trying out a new trail. It's connected to the Legacy Trail. It's called the connector to a town called Northport, and this is really going to open up options for me and add a lot of distance, which is exciting. And it's fun because it's sort of rural. We just passed by cows, and the most exciting is I actually see a hill with a slight, it's pretty good grade, and I have this new equipment so that you guys can follow along on some of my riding. So I'm gonna clip this on and hopefully you can see this little hill, woo! Because I need anything I can get for hill training. So let's see how this works. We're about to go over I-75. Yep, this is a good hill. Ooh, some turkey vultures. Gross, gross. Gross. Go away. Oh, it's so gross. It is very hot, so I'm going to be having some more of my Skratch Labs. Yum, ice cold lemon water is what it tastes like. Yum, yum, yum. This is awesome. Now it's turned into a real trail, and it's part of the Legacy system. Score. It's humid today, but so one thing I wanted to talk about because we're just building it. 13 miles was actually my longest ride so far. Take breaks, it's totally fine. It's going to be a little uncomfortable as we build up, and that's the most wonderful thing about RAGBRAI is it's all about taking breaks. It's usually like every 12 miles. Sometimes they're mean in the morning and they'll make you go 18 before breakfast, but you're sort of fresh, so it goes fast. And whenever you're with a group, it always goes fast. Today I tried out some new equipment. We'll see how it turns out. And I saw a snake and turkey vultures. And one thing that I miss about Iowa is that Iowa nice is a real thing, because today I probably passed 15 people and I'm hi. No one said hi back. It's not that hard, folks. Let's be friendly. It's beautiful here. We're lucky enough to be on our bike in last day of February. So that's my little thought of the day is let's be friendly. 40 miles next week.